cane, watch this. I'll show you how to live with bliss. No sight, no fear, just the rush I miss. Hold my cane, watch this.
Me neither.
Alright, here we are, reverse POV, Iron Gwazi.
Yeah, just go ahead and say it, yeah.
First starting in Tampa. Reverse facing POV, very first time ever on this.
Alright.
I've got a death grip on this little strap beside me. You can hold that strap there.
I have a feeling nothing's gonna work.
And that was our Gwazi at Busch, Tampa. Holy moly.